In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to check Instagram DMs. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Navigate to your profile page, then click on the three bars given at the top right. Now scroll down and head over to the option Messages and Story Replies. Under this, you're going to find different option. Click on Message Request. Now here, you're going to find this option Allow access to messages. Toggle on for this option. Likewise, who can send you message request? Set it to everyone. This will make sure people can message you even if they are not your followers. After this, head back, navigate to your profile page. Now click on this arrow icon given at the bottom middle. And with that, you'll be directed to the conversations page. In this page, you're going to find these sections primary, general, and message request. In order to check your DM, set it to general. And that's it. This way you were able to check Instagram DMs. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.